Today's voters are drowning in campaign messages. Mass mail, generic texts, and cold calls are getting tuned out. Even when you work harder, you often see less and less response. Campaigns need a smarter way to actually break through. And the answer is not shouting louder. The real shift is going from quantity to quality, from blanket outreach to micro-targeting voters through the people they know and trust. That is where the real persuasion and turnout gains happen. At UpVote, we believe that it's not just what you say to voters, it's who is saying it. Or to put it simply, the messenger is often more important than the message. A text from a random number is easy to ignore. A text from someone you know feels totally different, and the higher response rates back this up. This is relational organizing. Instead of treating supporters as a list, you treat them as organizers. They use their existing relationships to get friends and family to register, to vote, and to stay engaged, and that impact compounds as each person brings in their own network. Relational organizing works because it is built on 3 key pillars: trust, authenticity, and the network effect. Every volunteer can tap into an entire social circle to create exponential growth. UpVote is the grassroots organizing app that turns this strategy into action. Think of it like a high-performance race car, driven by your campaign and fueled by your grassroots base of volunteers. Inside UpVote, there are 3 key roles. Admins oversee the voter file data, the management hierarchy, and overall strategy. Volunteer managers are your field leads and most dedicated volunteers, guiding teams of regular volunteers who are the heart of the program, reaching out to the voters they know through UpVote's bulk messaging and phone banking tools. Let's take a moment to emphasize the importance of your admins. UpVote admins are the drivers of your relational organizing program. They steward your voter file and key metrics, and they connect what happens in UpVote with the rest of your campaign. For volunteers, UpVote is simple and intuitive. They log in with their phone number, run contact match to see which friends are on the voter list, and build a personal outreach list. From there, they send bulk texts, recruit new volunteers, and track who has voted as ballots are counted. Behind that experience is a full suite of tools. Let's dive into a few of the most popular tools to power your GeoTV campaign. First up is Contact Match. Contact Match cross-references a volunteer's phone contacts with the voter database, so they instantly see which friends are registered voters. Their personal network becomes a targeted universe that you can actually track and report on. With bulk messaging, volunteers send templated but customizable text through their own phones, using iMessage or WhatsApp. It's peer-to-peer, not mass texting, and it's totally free to your campaign. UpVote also powers targeted phone banking. You can filter the voter file by support level, city, or any custom field, then track caller activity and outcomes in real time. Volunteers can even use friend banking, calling people they already know, which drives higher answer rates and better conversations. With UpVote, you have a proven system that taps into the power of real relationships, focuses on the right voters, and turns that energy into measurable turnout.